Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by heating only what you need. Melt 75% of the chopped chocolate over a double boiler to 45 degrees C for dark, 40 degrees C for milk. Once melted, remove from heat and stir while adding the reserved 25% seed chocolate. This forces crystallization and stabilizes shine. Make sure to keep splashes out of the water and stir gently to avoid air. You will watch the temperature drop steadily, and that cooling controls texture. So monitor until it reaches about 27-28 degrees C before reheating slightly. You now bring the chocolate back up to a working temperature, about 31-32 degrees C for dark, 29-30 degrees C for milk. Then add any fats, nut pastes, or extracts sparingly so flavor integrates without seizing. Once blended, pour slowly into pre-warmed molds and tap to remove trapped air. Use a bench scraper to level and scrape rims for neat edges. Then move molds to a cool, stable environment at 12-15 degrees C. This gentle chilling locks the correct crystal form and prevents fat bloom later. You finish by unmolding when your pieces have a firm set and a glossy surface. Check for a clean snap to confirm temper. Once released, polish lightly with a food-safe cloth if needed, and store chocolates at 12-18 degrees C in low humidity. Avoid refrigeration near strong odors. If you spot whitish bloom or softness, don't panic. Remelt the chocolate fully and repeat the tempering cycle, adjusting the cooling time or seed percentage until you achieve consistent crystallization and the texture you expect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.